Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. It is so good to be here. It's an honor to be back in Germany, in Munich, in the very birthplace of the modern automobile. I'm here with my colleague, Steve Basra, who will be joining us later, to talk about AI's transformative role in automotive. You know, for decades now, we've talked about vehicles and envisioned vehicles that are more than machines, that are intelligent companions, intuitive extensions of our digital lives, third spaces where we feel at home. And that future is no longer a distant dream. It is emerging on the road in front of us today. At Google, we believe that AI presents a fundamental shift, an inflection point in the automotive industry. And while we've all seen technological shifts in our past, the emergence of the internet and smartphones, we believe that the AI transformation will be a different magnitude altogether. And this profound shift isn't theoretical or optional. It is a defining necessity of the next generation of mobility, driven not only by the technological capabilities that are rapidly evolving, but also by consumer expectations to have a more intelligent, intuitive, conversational experience across all of their digital lives. To enable this shift, to deliver on this opportunity, car makers need to reinvent their vehicles today, bringing together hardware and software into a central nervous system that can be turbocharged by AI. And it is an exciting but a daunting task. Disruption is undeniably here. The good news is that we believe car makers have all the access they need to all the technology they need to enable this shift and realize the vision of an AI-powered mobility experience. You have powerful silicon, sensor suites, connectivity, and consolidated electronic architectures that provide a digital chassis for the modern vehicle. You have software platforms that provide an operating system for the vehicle across domains, bringing together into life the full power of this digital chassis. Rich ecosystems of apps and services that seamlessly connect the vehicle to the consumer's digital life. And of course, AI models that can run on the edge, bringing intelligence to this digital and physical vehicle. Last but not least, connectivity to the world's most powerful cloud computing platforms and AI models that are continuously evolving with exponential progress. This convergence has made the intelligent, connected, software-defined vehicle a possibility and a reality, and in turn, has positioned AI as the foundational catalyst for real innovation in the vehicle. For every car maker, the message is clear, strategic, and urgent. To remain competitive, to lead in this intelligent era, you must reinvent your vehicles for AI-powered mobility experiences right now. At Google, we embrace this challenge, not just as a technology provider, but as a strategic partner, committed to empowering your vision in this AI-driven era. You know, for many years, Google has been investing in a full stack of technology to enable this moment with AI. And we're bringing that full stack to automotive in partnership with industry partners. At the foundation is Android as a foundational modern software platform for the vehicle. Android Automotive OS is a full stack solution for infotainment that enables rapid innovation in the digital experience. And it is fully open source and freely available, allowing car makers to customize and extend the platform to meet the needs of their vehicles and suit their brands. Today, it is one of the industry's leading choices for infotainment, with 12 out of the top 15 car brands adopting Android Automotive OS for their future in-vehicle infotainment. But a modern infotainment experience is not enough to enable the AI-powered vehicle. So we've been working with some industry partners to take Android Automotive OS beyond infotainment as a platform for the entire software-defined vehicle across domains. We're really excited about the progress, and we're excited to share more coming soon. We believe Android Automotive OS is essential as a foundation for the AI-powered vehicle because it provides a consistent digital interface to the physical vehicle systems, whether it's cabin control, body control, cameras, and more. And it also provides a platform for rich applications, connected services, AI models, and AI-powered assistants. And this platformized connectivity between the physical and digital worlds is the foundation on which AI-powered innovation can really thrive. Now, we've also been working on AI for many, many years now, over a decade. And you might say that AI is really in our DNA. At Google, we provide access to the industry's leading AI models. And we've all seen this incredible acceleration in recent years. This decade of experience comes together in Gemini, our flagship AI models. Gemini models were built from the ground up to be truly multimodal, understanding text, audio, imagery, and video. They enable understanding, conversation, content creation, and increasingly agentic capabilities across a wide variety of use cases. Now, Gemini is not really one model. It is a family of models that are each optimized for different points on the Pareto frontier of cost and capability thresholds. Indeed, this model family defines that Pareto frontier today. And these models don't just run on the cloud. Our advanced Gemini Nano and our Open Gemma models are optimized to run efficiently on the edge, including in the vehicle, bringing understanding on board for enhanced latency, reliability, and privacy. We develop a range of different models for different use cases because we believe the most powerful AI experiences will be realized through hybrid architectures that bring the best of multimodal on-device and cloud models together in a single experience. This is the core intelligence that really enables the truly smart vehicle to come to life. It will adapt and assist the driver and passenger in unprecedented ways, connecting them like never before to their physical and digital worlds. Now, we can't talk about AI in the vehicle without talking about Google's Gemini Assistant. It's our personal, proactive, and powerful universal assistant. Gemini is plugged into your digital ecosystem and will soon be available across all of your devices, including your vehicle. We actually think that in the vehicle is where Gemini might shine best, because that is where people need a truly conversational, intelligent, and context-aware companion. Gemini delivers best-in-class conversational navigation, communication, media, vehicle controls, and more. So gone are the days of carefully entering an address, carefully dictating and redictating messages, and playing specific songs by title. With Gemini, you can simply speak naturally and ask about good food spots along your route. You can have a conversation about the reviews. What do people say about this option or that option? How is the parking? How is the service? And then navigate to the one that sounds best to you. That place sounds good. You can send the details along with your ETA to your friend Joe, asking him to meet you there. And you will be able to ask Gemini to send that message in over 40 different languages, even ones you don't speak. In fact, you can even ask Gemini to remember to always send messages to Joe in Spanish. The experience is truly transformative. I would need someone in the audience to tell me if that's accurate. I don't speak Spanish myself. Gemini Live further enhances this experience with unbounded natural conversation on any topic. Get advice on how to handle tricky situations at work or at home. Brainstorm for an upcoming vacation. Explore historical or philosophical topics with a truly intelligent conversational driving companion. I'm excited to say that this intelligence is not a distant promise. It is coming to millions of vehicles, including millions of vehicles that are already on the road with Android Auto and Google built-in across the globe in the coming months. And you can check this out live with live demonstrations in a production Renault 5 vehicle at the Google booth. But of course, we know that some car makers seek to develop their own AI agents with deep design control, vehicle-specific integrations, and the freedom to express their unique brand identity. We want to enable this OEM-led development. And I'm happy to say that Google Cloud's Gemini-powered automotive AI agent platform and tools give car makers everything they need to deliver a fully branded, customized, and intelligent AI experience across their customer touchpoints. Google Cloud provides the foundational technology, advanced AI orchestration, speech recognition, multimodal Gemini models, and Vertex AI infrastructure. We provide a fully functional hybrid edge-to-cloud reference implementation and easy-to-use customization tools. And we also provide pre-built capabilities for all the use cases I just showed, including conversational navigation, interactive communication, dynamic media discovery, and intelligent vehicle controls. So car makers can launch personalized AI user experiences in their car faster in more than 40 different languages. You, as a car maker, have full access to all of the technological capabilities that Google uses to build our own AI agent, and you have all the control of the brand, user experience, and data that you need. You can even plug your own customized models and build your own custom agents to handle your bespoke use cases. And what's more, you can deploy your agents across surfaces to provide your customers with a consistent experience no matter where they may interact with you, be it on mobile, in the car, in the call center, or even at the dealership. The Google Cloud Automotive AI agent is available now, and leading car makers are already using it to bring their own intelligent driving experiences into vehicles. And you can also check this out at the Google booth in a Mercedes CLA and in some demo platforms. So this wave of in-vehicle AI is here today, but the potential is really just starting to be realized. We are actively laying the groundwork and partnering across the industry to enable an even more advanced, even more deeply integrated AI. And we're excited about the potential of what we can realize together. If we bring together all of these advances in computing, in sensors, in connectivity, in vehicle software platforms, and these leading multimodal agents and intelligent AI assistants. This is just the beginning. So what if, we ask the question, what if your vehicle could see what you could see and answer questions about the world around you? That's really the truly intelligent companion. So built on Gemini's multimodal capabilities and taking advantage of the deep vehicle integration in Android Automotive OS, Project Astra is an advanced research project demonstrating the vision for a universal multimodal AI agent and showing the future of where we're taking Gemini. I'd like to give you a sneak peek into what the future of a highly intelligent AI auto experience could look like. We'll roll the video. Oops. Now we'll roll a video.
What is that castle up ahead?
That's Marienburg Castle. It's a beautiful example of Gothic revival architecture. Would you like to know more about its history?
Oops, I just missed that speed limit sign. Did you catch it? Am I driving within the limit?
Yes, I caught that sign. You're currently driving 63 miles per hour, and the speed limit is 65 miles per hour, so you're within the limit.
What kind of trees are those on the right?
Alright, those are palm trees, and they're pretty common along desert highways for landscaping. Anything else you'd like to know about them?
Did you catch that sign on the left? What did it say in English, please?
Yes, I caught that. It showed the Bayshore route and the Yokohane Ishikawacho exit.
What's that restaurant on the left? Does it have vegetarian options?
Yes, the restaurant on the left is Blue Water Seafood and Crab. While they don't have a wide variety of vegetarian options, they do offer a few selections. Their menu is primarily focused on seafood, though. Let me know if you have any more questions about the menu, or if you'd like me to book a reservation.
Wow, what a beautiful view. Can you take a picture?
Picture taken. Would you like me to add this to your 2025 road trip Google Photos album?
What is that monument up ahead?
Sure, it's the Victory Column, or Siegessäule in German. It commemorates Prussian military victories.
So that is just a glimpse into Project Astra, and if you want to see live demos of this technology in action, you can also check them out at the Google booth. But we think this vividly illustrates one vision of what we can realize together with the AI-powered vehicle. But we also want to enable your vision as a car maker. Google is more than a technology provider here. We're deeply committed to be a strategic partner. And in fact, we've been partnering with the industry for over 20 years now across a range of solutions, working with partners throughout that time. Now, the transformative power of AI extends far beyond the in-vehicle experience. It fundamentally impacts the entire automotive value chain, from the drawing board to the factory floor, and how, the way in which cars reach their customers and beyond. And so to talk through, to delve deeper into how AI is redefining the entire automotive ecosystem, I'd like to invite my esteemed colleague, Steve Basra, onto the stage. Steve?
So isn't it amazing to see how AI is helping transform the customer experience in the vehicle? So let's change topics a little bit. Let's see how AI is helping transform the business across the whole value chain of automotive. So for us at Google, we believe it all starts back with our Google AI and our assistants. Now, we believe it's not just the fact that these agents can think, they can reason, but it's the fact that they can act. And to us, it's really these possibilities that are helping change the way that all of us are going to work forever. So now let's take a look at some examples across that value chain. Let's start off with software engineering. Now at Google, we've already announced that over 25% of our code is generated using AI. But what most people don't understand, it's not just in the coding phase that we use AI. If you look at our software development process, we use AI at every step, whether it's in the coding phase, in the design phase, in the coding phase, or even in the review phase. Now, for us, it's the combination of agents that makes this so powerful. Now, what's great about this example that you see on the screen, imagine taking that software development process flow and replacing that with your procurement flow or your HR hiring flow. You can start to see how agents can really start impacting each area of your business. And for us, at Google, that's why our products like Agent Space really help you build those agents, which ultimately are going to help transform your kind of users and your customer experience. So now let's come back down to software engineering. In the automotive space, especially in software-defined vehicles, it's not just about software development. It's about the build, the test, the release cycles. And so that's why, together with our partners at Accenture, we built our tool chain called Horizon. And for us, it's really about the agility and enabling your teams to be more efficient. And we've embedded AI at each step in that process to help your engineers be successful. Now, coming back to agility and talking about speed, I think all of us know that reacting to customer needs is super important. That's why AI is now able to tackle some of the most difficult problems that we have. Things like computational fluid dynamic simulations. These type of simulations normally would take a couple of hours to run on HPC computers. But now, you can run these in a matter of minutes using AI predictive models. So not only saving you time and money, but actually helping you transform your process in the way that you develop vehicles. And then in manufacturing, we're helping our customers take the vast amounts of data that they have and helping them do things like predictive maintenance and helping them reduce downtimes, but also using vision AI models to help detect problems at the point of manufacture. So now let's shift gears a little bit and talk about the customer experience and customer engagement. So I think all of us know that consumers are changing the way that they shop online and the way they buy products. And it's the same for the automotive industry. I think we also know that all of us are living in this world of content overload. So actually, how do we connect to our customers in this world? How do you connect to your customers in this world? Well, what if? What if you could unleash the power of your teams and bring all of their creative ideas to life, where really the only limit that you have is their imagination? That's why at Google, we've built our Gen Media suite of tools that not only help you create amazing content, like those amazing VO videos that you saw, but they also enable you to really transform your creative process. And we have tools and AI embedded at every single step. So what would that look like for an automotive customer? Let me show you a quick video.
Harness the power. Feel the precision. Become the adventure. And the road will know your name. VO Motors.
OK, now obviously that was a fake vehicle. I don't think I'm going to get any design awards. But the key thing about that video was, number one, it was created 100% using AI. And number two, the time that it took. It took 15 days to create that video. If you were to create that video in real life, that would have taken you anywhere between 3 to 6 months of production. So that's available today. But what about tomorrow? We think that personalization is going to become even more important with your customers. So imagine if you could take your customers, put them into your new vehicles. So our teams took this beautiful concept car and my picture, and they said, what would happen if we get Steve driving down the road in California? How amazing does that look? I think what's even more amazing was that the AI was able to cope with my weird hairstyle. But it looks great, and this is where we think the future is going to go. So now, just to finish off, I want to talk a little bit about the future and the power of the physical world together with AI. This is one of the most exciting areas, so let me show you another quick video.
We're bringing Gemini 2.0's intelligence to general-purpose robotic agents in the physical world. To be helpful, robots need to be interactive, responding live to your actions and your voice. They need to be dexterous to complete your most complex tasks. And they need to be general to understand things in your 3D world. And all of these capabilities need to work across different physical forms. We're bringing this together in Gemini Robotics, our most advanced vision language action model. Gemini Robotics is interactive.
Can you put the bananas in the clear container?
Notice how we move the objects and the model reacts and replans on the fly.
Can you put the grapes in the clear container?
Our model's low latency means it can respond live to rapidly changing conditions and instructions. This same model can generalize to all kinds of applications where you can collaborate with the robot live. Gemini Robotics is dexterous. High dexterity tasks are some of the biggest challenges in robotics.
I can fold the orange square into an origami fox.
That sounds fun. Why don't we try that?
Sure. Did you know that the word origami comes from the Japanese words ori, meaning to fold, and kami, meaning paper?
These capabilities are enabled by Gemini 2.0's spatial understanding of detailed aspects of things in your world.
I can point to where the eye should be drawn on the fox.
Most importantly, Gemini Robotics is general. It uses Gemini 2.0's world understanding to generalize across a vast range of real-world tasks.
Can you flip the red die so that it matches the number on the green die?
Many robots can execute predefined actions, but these movements are not predefined. The robot is reasoning both about what it sees and how to move. It figures out how to make the red die match just like we asked. And this generalization goes even further. This same model can generalize to tasks like this one that it's never been trained to do.
Pick up the basketball and slam dunk it.
Keep in mind, these are objects the robot has never seen before. But by leveraging Gemini 2.0's understanding of concepts like basketball and slam dunks, the robot figures out the task. We're now inviting more partners to join our Trusted Testers program, where we're working together to build the next generation of robotic AI agents. Learn more about how we're bringing Gemini to the physical world at deepmind.google/robotics.
So I think what's really amazing about that video is that last example. The ability for a robot to take components that it's never seen before and to take action. So start thinking about how you could use that in your manufacturing plants, where robots will be able to take tasks and do tasks when they get obstructions that they've never seen before. It's truly amazing. So I want to finish off just by saying, from the key message to this speech is, we believe that AI is really important, and it's going to be time for you to start thinking about how you're going to use AI to transform your businesses. If you've liked what you saw today, please come and visit us in Hall B1, where we've got these examples and many others. And with that, from the whole Google team, I want to say thank you, and thank you for being here.